maths. How many people have experienced that? Where the teacher does questions, you understand, you follow. When you go home, do you know why? It's because you never understood in the first place. You were like a parrot. If you say hello, what does the parrot say? Yes, he says the same thing, but doesn't understand what he's saying. Even if you tell it the most obscene of the words, it will repeat. It will say to the first people because it's just a parrot. So the spirit of parrotology, that is what you have to take out of your mind. Understand? You have to learn to think, right? I'll give you an example, a very stupid one. Sorry, I'm going to use you for my example. What's your name, by the way? Isaac. Isaac. Sorry? Sakani. Okay, so Isaac and Sakani, right? Isaac is got a problem, right? Remember, maths is about problem solving, which is applicable in the real world, right? Okay, now he's got a problem. Isaac thinks he's very beautiful, right? And he wants it. Now, that's a problem, right? Now, let's use maths to solve this problem. Right. Now, Isaac, what is the first thing that you have to do in order to win it? Right? Okay, Isaac, the first thing that you have to do is to understand the problem, right? Understand the problem. Ask yourself, what does Sakani want? What size shoe does Sakani wear? Because if you buy a size 7 or you say wear size 5, she'll be angry and say, so you thought I would, no? Or if you buy a chocolate with nuts when she's allergic to nuts, she will say, no, you're not my type, right? You want to kill me. So yes, you have to kill me, yes. So you see, so it's important that before you find a solution to a problem, first understand the problem. After you understand the problem, you ask yourself, and even in business, right? You come up with a mission statement to say, this is what we want to achieve. It's after you've done your market research, your what, that's problem solving. And maths is about what? Problem solving. Right, now, you've understood what she likes. You devise a plan now and say, okay, fine. She likes chocolates with nuts, right? I know where it is found, so I'm going to walk, now this is the how part. So the first part was, what is it? The second part is how to, right? After you've bought the chocolate, you will go and give it to her, you're carrying out your plan, right? After you've carried out your plan, then you evaluate the results to see if they're correct. So the 4 pillars of problem solving, be it project management, be it accounting, be it in any field, any situation, even making a decision. First understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the plan, and evaluate. Sorry, can I thank you for 1 second? All of you are looking at me like that. Not one of you is going around writing notes if there's anything important that has been said. Why not? Are you going to remember? Okay, you're genius. Okay, cool. Okay, you're safe. Right. Anyway, so these are the 4 steps, right? So it's important that you understand the problem, you devise a plan, you carry out the plan, and you don't write what I say so. You don't. Right, okay. So it's about the thinking style. Now, going back to the teacher who's not so good. Can I have a pen, paper? Sorry, I just want to show you something. That's a little demonstration. Any page, it's fine. Any page where there's space, where I can write on. Oh, thank you. Right, I don't know if you guys can see the back. Okay, who can multiply this for me? 23 times 42. Yeah. And without using a calculator.
But writing in the paper.
No, without writing. Go, come on. Hey. Yes? 86. 86. Okay. This is how I'm going to do it. Okay. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to write what's happening in my brain right now. Okay. I'm going to show you. But before I do that, let me show you how you were taught, right? You were taught that 23 times 42 is equal to 8, 9, right? I think 6, 4, 6, 9. This is how you're taught. This is how you're taught, right? This is nice. It's good. If you understand it, continue. But always know that whenever you're given a problem in class, right? There's more than one way to kill a cat. You understand? The 6 billion ways to kill a cat. It's unfortunate that maybe your teacher might know one method and then they'll say, use my method. If they say that, go after the lesson, go and say, but say, hey, I've got a different method. It's allowed, you understand? In maths, you're allowed to be creative, you're allowed to think differently. Because, I mean, you come from a house where it's a 5-bedroom house, you watch this big TV, like, you know, you're different from me. I don't have anything. So our realities are different. The way we think is different. So we cannot all be forced to think using one method, you understand? It's impossible. Some people think in shapes, some think in colors, some think in text, you understand? It's something that's psychologically proven. Now, with me, I like the Chinese method. What they do, because people love drawing, to multiply these two, but they do it in their mind. They're first taught on paper, then they do it in their mind. Right? They do this. 23 is 20 plus 3, right? It's 20 and 3, so it's 20 and 3. 42 is what? 40 and 2. Right? So this is easier. In your mind, you can actually do it. 20 and 3, 40 and 2. So 20 times 40. 20 times 40? Woo! 20, 0, 0, 8. Right? 20 times 2? 3 times 40? 120. 3 times 2? 6. 40 times 6? Sorry, 40. So you're going to add everything now. 40 plus 6? 46 plus 120? 166. 166 plus 800? 966. It's so easy. It's just a matter of saying 20 times 40 is easy because there's zeros there. You know, it's 0, 0, 8. Right? 20 times 2, we all can do that, right? 3 times 2, we all can do that. 40 times 3, we all can do that. So you can actually do it in your mind. You can hold and say 800. Okay, I've got 800. Okay, I've got 40, I've got 6, I've got 120, 120 plus 6, 126 plus 40, 146 plus, you know, you can do it quick. You can do it in less than 5 seconds if you practice. You understand? Right. Now, this is multiplication, right? That's the problem. These teachers, they don't know how to teach us. Ish. Now, look at this. You get to grade 10 now. You're doing FOIL. You're doing removing brackets. Right. Simplification. Can you see this one? We know the answer is going to be x squared plus 2x plus 1. We know that, right? Yeah, okay. But you know that x plus 1, x plus 1. This is multiplication, right? Is it any different from this? It's not, right? This is multiplication. This is this. This is this, right? Same thing, same principle. So I'm going to draw my diagram. This is how they're taught how to remove brackets in China. x1, x1, x1. X times x, x squared. x1. So it's x squared plus 2x plus 1. See, it's that simple. Now, do you know the advantage of this method now? Let's say they say x plus 1, then x to the power 5 plus 2x to the power 4 minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. It's so long, right? And if you're using FOIL, you're going to go, you know, until you know, you might lose 1 or 2, right? Just draw the diagram. So I'm going to write here. Is it okay? Okay. I'm going to do this. X to the power 5, 2 to the power whatever, negative x squared, negative 2x, 1. And then I'm going to put what? What's the other one? X plus 1. Then you do it like that. Done. Right? So it's easier. Okay, this is just an example. There's so many things that you can do differently. This is just an example. Whenever you're given a math problem, whenever you're taught a math concept, try to think, how can I do it differently? If the teacher's method is the whole page, you can actually do it in half a page as long as, but listen to this now, don't lose marks. You should show all working. Whatever method you're going to use, show all working, but choose the most efficient method. If you find a teacher who uses the less efficient method, they're just not good. Okay. Thank you for your time. By the way, the whole idea of me coming here was to tell you that you guys can be geniuses, you guys can succeed in maths. Maths is important in your lives. Don't ever lie to yourselves. Even if you want to pursue a soccer career or whatever, make sure you're good at maths. That's a fact. Okay. And then I wrote this book. It's entitled The Mathematical Genius in You. In exclusive books, you can buy it for like what, 90 to 100 rand or something funny like that. But because it's an expo, it's only for 50 rand, half price. So please make me rich and I give you knowledge, then we are all together, right? Please, I want to drive a Lamborghini. You want to pass and be a star, right? So please, help me become a Lamborghini driver. 50 bucks, you've got 50 bucks, I know. Don't go buy KFC. KFC, after 2 hours, you're going to go to the toilet and then come back again, you want to go. But with this, you can pass it on to your brother. 50 bucks. If you don't have 50 bucks, then 25, 25. One for you. 25, 25. One for you. By the way, where's your school? Okay. Oh, by the way, sorry. Before I do this selling things, I'm not after money. By the way, I've got this website here, www.mathsgenius.co.za. That website, you can go. Let's say you start doing homework at home, you can go ask questions on the question and answer forum. It's a free service that I offer. If you're really stuck, there's my email address. You can send an email. You can access through your phones, your laptops, computers, whatever. Okay. But now, I'm doing all that for free, but I'm selling the book. The book 50. I know this group is going to buy 1 or 2 books, that's fine, right? Who's going to buy? Buy. 50 bucks, 50 bucks. Hey, please tell them to buy. I don't know. Okay. I think we need a Zulu version of this. How do we do it? Tenga. Right.